Hi, this is John from FitKit Systems. Just going to do a quick show and tell on how to unpack and assemble the new FitStick tool for first use. So once it's out of the box and generally unwrapped, we want to remove the cling wrap from the end of it, and a pair of scissors can probably help with that. Once we get this off, we've got the drop pin to come off the tape here. We're going to insert that here shortly. So just removing the packaging material. Down the other end, we've got more cling wrap to get off the slide plate. So I've got a few pieces just being held together here. I've got to get the slide plate out and then finish unwrapping the rest of it. Okay, so unwrapping is complete. So what we've got here then is the drop caliper slide and then the levels right here. So for the drop caliper, I want to take the pin, and then with the numbers on the top of the scale and the pin at 0, we want to just push that down through here. Now note that this will now slide backwards and forwards. This pin will slide up and down. We can also take the whole thing off just by squeezing this together, and it'll come right out. We can drop it back in again. So that tool will come right from one end to the other, but will be blocked at the level. Okay, to get the slide plate on, we want to pull the pin out, drop that down, take the plate, and then with the label facing us, we can just slide that in. It's a little bit of maneuvering to get that slider in there, and then bring it down and get that sliding in. This is just held on by friction, so it's kind of sticky there, and that will slide then right along the whole tool. If we're using the seat height from the pedal spindle, then we're locating this part on the pedal spindle. If we're taking seat height from the center of the bottom bracket, then we're locking that pin into place. In either case, both the center of the pin and the end of the pedal spindle prong are calibrated to be at 0, whether that's in inches or whether that's in metric with centimeters. So we can use either of those points as the 0 marker, either the pin center or the end of here is 0 if we're measuring a length using the rest of the level. So there it is, it's assembled, ready to go. These will slide past each other, so we can have the seat height top plate right here. We've got the drop caliper here, and we can move them backwards and forwards.